Hi everyone, I am Mushtaq Hussain. In this video, I am going to show you how to use features of Congria. So first of all, we can see these important features over here: upcoming sessions, recorded sessions, schedule a session. So I have already scheduled a session and we can add session. So here is the option where we can add the session. When we add the session, then we need to enter time. So here I show you once again. So we need to enter session start time, then duration, and select the teacher. So you need to select your own your name here. Then after that you can save changes. So since I have already created, so I'm not going to create one more session. So I cancel here. Now, so you can see, the teachers who have created their sessions. So everything is mentioned over here: day, date, time, session duration, and name of the teacher. And there is one more option called edit or delete. So if you are done with your session, so maybe you can delete your session. If you want to make some changes like date or maybe time, then you can edit it. So this edit option is very much available. Then we shall enter the session. Now since I have created a session, so I can enter the session as a teacher. So here we go. So we can just click on to join virtual classroom. Then it will take us to this screen. So it will ask you to check the compatibility, testing browser compatibility. Then click on to next. Then it will check your internet speed. Then it will show you your bandwidth is good enough. So it depends on your bandwidth. After that you can click on to next. It will check your speaker. After that it will check your microphone, then video, and finally you can join the session. So once you join the session as a teacher, you will get this screen. So first of all, we need to turn on audio, and if you want you can turn on your video too. So this is option where you can unmute and you can turn on your audio, and this is the option where you can turn on your video. So I'm going to turn off the video. Then so we can go for full screen view. Then you can check the users list over here. The list will appear here. Then you can go for common chat. You can go for individual chat too. Then if you have any question, you can raise your hand and you can add note. So these are the options. These are the basic options. Apart from this, now this is called white screen or whiteboard. Now these are the options which we have for whiteboard. So for example, you can draw something using freehand. Then you can use these shapes: rectangle, line, circle, and triangle. You can draw over here. Then you can type the text. Click on to text. Then if you type the text, then you can change the size. You can go for 30 points, 35, 40, 45. Then you can change the color. Then you can activate all, active all, and you can clear all. So for example, if I click on to clear all, this will disappear from your white screen or whiteboard. Now there is one more interesting option for whiteboard, that is you can add or you can insert page. So there is no limit for any page on whiteboard. So for example, sometimes if you engage any session and if you need say multiple white sheets or pages, so you can just keep on adding or inserting pages. So this is how you can do that. So if you want to have full view, so you can move your sidebar. Then apart from whiteboard options, we have got document sharing. So maybe you can just click on to this. and you can drop your file over here and you can share that document. Then we have got screen share. If you click onto this, then it will ask you whether you wish to share your entire screen or application window or Chrome tab. So you can select your own as per the necessity, and you can select the one. Then you can share video, you can go for poll, then you can create a quiz, then you can use this option text editor, and you can share your presentation too. Then once you are done with your session, you can end your session. Then this option which we have called document dashboard. So this is how we can use the features on Congria. Thank you.